Evaluate the given double integration e to the power minus y divided by y dy dx by changing order of integration. So here you have the double integral of the function e to the power minus y divided by y, and the inner integral is with respect to y and the outer integral is with respect to x. And we have to find out the value of this integration by using the change of order of integration. So to find the value of the integration by the method of change of order of integration, first we have to identify the original limits. And here the original limit for the outer integral x is from 0 to infinite. So x lies between 0 and infinite, and the limit of the inner integral, that is from x to infinite. So y value, inner integral is y, so y value is from x to infinite. So after finding the region of integration, or after identifying the original limits of the integration, you have to find out the, or you have to find out the boundary curves, that is to sketch the origin of integration. That is, we have to sketch the region of integration by means of a graph like this. So here the boundaries are x equal to y, the three functions x equal to y, number one from this, which is x equal to y, and x equal to 0, here x equal to 0, and y which is less than infinite. So you have three boundary curves. So first one is x equal to y. If x equal to y, you will get this line, and if x equal to 0, then you will get this line, x equal to 0, and y is greater than infinite. So you have three regions or three boundary curves, and using the three boundary curves you can find out the, or plot the graph. And here the given integration is dy dx, and if you have dy dx, then it is vertical strip like this. That means you have to integrate with respect to y first, then y, then x. This is the vertical strip. But if you change the order of integration to dx dy, then the strip will be horizontal like this. And if the strip will be horizontal, the limits of integration for x will change. X value is from 0. If this will be the strip, you see the value of x is from which value to which value, from 0 to y value, from 0 to y value, this value. So limits of integration will change from x here from x to infinite. Okay, if you have any value of x, then you have infinite value of y. If you draw like this, the value may go to the infinite. So from the limit x equal to from the limit y value from x to infinite, if you change to x, then the limit of integration will change to 0 to y. Then it will be easier to find out the limit. If you find out the integration, if you find out the integration with respect to x first, you have to keep y constant. That means integration of dx, that is equal to x, well, limits of integration from 0 to y, you see, and you have e to the power minus y divided by y dy, and limits of integration from 0 to infinite. And if you put y value here, upper limit minus lower limit, this will be equal to y minus 0 is equal to y. If you multiply y, that will cancel. So integration of e to the power minus y dy, and limit of integration from 0 to infinite, and the integration of e to the power minus y dy is minus e to the power minus y. Upper integral limit is infinite, lower limit is 0, and if you put the upper limit e to the power minus infinite, that is 1 divided by e to the infinite. So 1 divided by infinite equal to 0. So the first term will be equal to 0 and the second term will be equal to minus e to the power 0 and e to the power 0 is equal to 1 minus again minus plus. So answer will be equal to 1. So in this way you can find out the value of the double integration by changing the order of integration.